Sir Cabardo, Sir Clifford, Sir Mascardo, please. And the other young faculty members over there.
Sir, you're also faculty member, right?
Division, kung saan ako naging OIC nito, ang aking talagang concern ay ang mga professionals, creative industry. Ang usapan po rito ay mga IPR, copyright, so kaya gano'n ang lingwahe ko, creative industry, business, ayan, yung mga, ang lagi kong kausap dito ay mga diplomats, mga professionals, so gano'n ang mga linya. Though, I can also speak with the mga students na mga graduate na, ang karaniwang binibigay ng aking division ay training, capability building, forums, conferences. So that's the reason why ang mga dala-dala ko rito mga materyales ay ang mga programang inorganize ko. Karamihan dito ay mga conferences, congresses, seminars, forums. So yung mga ganitong mga ganitong rendition ay ako nag-organize pero this time ako pala ang kasama sa. So sanay ako sa mga ganitong pag-organize ng mga discussions. Siguro kung may chance kayo na makarating dito sa CCP this June 26 na po ang Virgin Lab Fest. So meron po akong IPR forum for theater sectors. So pag-usapan namin ang aming IPR. Hopefully ma-organize nila ang kanilang mga sarili by July 26 onwards. Ang Sinimalaya naman po, kung may chance po kayo. So I'm also organizing education components, series of forums, seminars, the likes of organizing an indie film under 1 million, distributing and marketing, discussion of the language and vision of a filmmaker, casting characters in indie films, so mga ganun, mga discussion, finance, how to get financing towards making an indie film, so mga ganun ang mga discussions ko. So pwede dito mga estudyante. Yan. So ano ba mga susunod? Andrea Veneracion, choral competition, that's August 4 to 7. So mga choral groups international will be coming over. September, it's CCP anniversary month, so maraming mangyayari. Ang plano ng aming artistic director ay muli gumawa kami ng isang flash mob.
Who's the artistic director?
Ang artistic director po namin ngayon ay si Chris Miliano, isang theater, good theater director. Ang aming president ay si Raul Sulico, ang famous pianist. No? Yan, so talaga mga artist manager siya. So, yun lang siguro ang masasabi ko kasi yun yung confirm at naka-plancha na, and the rest, I'll keep in touch and tell you no, to come over and participate in CCP. Maraming salamat.
Okay, in behalf of the Faculty Association Incorporated of University of San Jose Recoletos, I would like to express my thanksgiving first and foremost to Ms. Nico for sharing not only her experiences but her life as a researcher and at the same time as a member of the National Commission on Culture and the Arts. So we would also like to thank the IMC, the VP Academics, President's Office, the faculty members, and the students who are here this afternoon. For sure, you have. And of course, my office, according to our Vice President. Because without us here, this particular endeavor will not be a reality. So thank you very much, and may God bless us all.